Hello everyone, this is ML Naruto. Welcome to my channel. So today in this video, I'll be explaining about a special feature called themes, which is actually located in this page layout tab. So here we have themes. So if you want to apply these themes to your data, so first of all, just select your data and go to this table here and click OK. See here, obviously you'll get everything in this green color. Why? Because earlier I have already selected this theme as green. See here, it is getting highlighted here. Now, if I want to change the color of my table, so what I can do is I can just scroll down here. Maybe I like this blue vapor trail flavor, so I'm selecting this thing. Okay, so the color of my table has been changed. So likewise, you can use whatever you want. For example, slice. See, the color of your table will be changed. Okay, so and also here we have so many colors. If you want, you can select whatever color you want. For example, if I select a red violet, then what happens? My color of my data would be changed. Okay, and here also we have fonts, so you can select whatever you want. By default it would be in a particular thing, like maybe Calibri light or something. So if you want, you can select maybe Arial black if you like it, so you can select it Arial black. See, the entire data would be in Arial black here. Okay, because I have selected this Arial black. Okay, so now these are the effects. So whatever effect you want, you can select directly. Just select this, maybe. So likewise, the effects would come into picture depending upon your selection. Okay, so this is all about the themes option, which is actually located in page layout. So now also we can look at the other option in the home button itself. Here we have an option called font color, and if you just tap here, we also have theme colors. So for example, I'm selecting this particular cell and I want to change it change the color of that particular font. For example, maybe red. So I want to paint it red. So I'm painting it red. See here. If I select this theme color, obviously the font color would be changed. Okay. And also if I want to color, uh, okay, if I want to color this second row here, this entire row, what I can do? I just select this green, green color. I want to paint it green. So I have selected green color and the whole cells would be colored with green color. Okay. Now you can also increase or decrease your font. See, I have selected this particular cell here, and if I tap on this A here, what happens? See, the font of that particular column is actually getting increased, not this particular column. See, for this column name, the font size is 11, and if I select this column, the font size is 48. Okay, if you want to decrease it, use this option. Okay, okay, so now you can also make them bold. See, you can also make them italic. That is, they would be uh, inclining towards right, or if you want, you can also underline them. If you want to underline the columns, you can underline them as well. And see, my data is colored, but it doesn't have any borders. If you want to provide the borders, just go here and click on this thick outside borders. Then obviously it will get all the borders that it requires. So likewise, you can use these themes option for your data. So likewise, you can play with all the options that is present in this page layout here: themes, colors, fonts, as well as with these options that is present in the home tab: font colors and theme colors. Okay, and also if you can tap here on this arrow, or if you can press Control Shift F. So now I'm going to print. I mean, now I'm going to press Control Shift F. See, this dialog box has been opened. Actually, when you look at here, this group is nothing but font group. Okay, under this font group, we have so many commands and effects and everything. So you can clearly see here everything. So if you want, you can change the font type. You can, if you want, you can change the type of the boldness too. If you want to be more bold, you can choose bold, or if you want bold along with the italic, you can choose this italic, whatever you want. You can customize your size of the fonts. You can color them as well. Whatever you want, you can do it. And if you just press OK, all the changes will be applicable. Okay. So that's all uh, for this particular topic. I'll see you in the next video. Jai Hind.